keep wanting to push here now.
Yeah. It's forming that nice pocket for NQ. Hopefully we can find a trade here and take it, chat.
It's creating a nice pocket push.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't finish that sentence.
I like the mic you got there.
Oh yeah,
Nice mic.
it's the real deal.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, you can see me. Yeah, on TikTok, my camera's on for TikTok.
No fair. I would show my face TikTok, but I'm too ugly for you guys, so we just show the screens. It's fine. I'll show my face next time for you guys. We're too ugly to be on camera, chat. Where's the music, Mr. Ice? We need some music. We need our song. We need the routine. Make sure we get 10,000 likes on the stream, chat.
I'll get it going here in a bit. I'm just kind of getting all the windows set up.
So the farts are only supposed to be applied while we're in the trade. Help push up the market.
Getting YouTube set up, and then I'm about to hit about to get TikTok going.
Sounds good.
Yo, what up, TikTok? What up? What up? What up? What up? Shay with the rose. Thank you. We get the music going. Teach you something? Buy low, sell high. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yo, what up, Jeff? Adventures, what up, man? Um, okay, so so far this is playing out as to what I'm looking for here.
Yeah, I like it. I mean, I think we could definitely at least target 826. Definitely target 826. Yep, 826 is what we could target. Will this effing drop? Why would it drop? Do you want it to drop? Are you in the shorts, Mr. Tommy? It's okay, we're gonna push it up anyway. There we go. I think it wants to make a push.
Yo, what up, TikTok? Trying to catch a dub here. Trying to catch a dub.
Short. The chat is saying short. We're saying longs.
The
So
chat is saying shorts.
the chat is saying shorts.
Man, okay. So I mean, who knows? I mean, right now, the way this is setting up, this is exactly what I was just talking about. How this is what I want to set up. Slip that low. Then we went for this high. Now we got it. I want to see like a pullback and then create some sort of structure right there and play it up to these highs. At least this one here. That's what I'm thinking.
Yes, sir.
What do you think on website development for small businesses?
We're trying to discuss futures.
I know, man.
This gives me a hard time with drawing lines.
Honestly, dude,
We won't draw just right there.
I also do photography and videography, and I just use Instagram. That's all I need.
So we are respecting that 20 EMA on our charts. Keeps bouncing right off it. We have a long ways to go. VWAP is all the way up to that 980 level. A lot of you guys want to short it. we want to long it, let us know, chat.
Thoughts on PLTR? I don't trade stock options, bro. This is futures trading here.
Effing this sucks.
But I will say though, I will say that when I first started trading, I started with options trading. The one saying that I always heard um, was in PLTR we trust, and that's when it was like $30.
Yeah, those were the good old days.
Yeah, that's when.
Palantir at $30.
Yeah, when Palantir was $30, bro. If only I knew. Yeah, man, $30, bro. I started in 2022, 21. Yeah, man, that's nuts, huh? $30 PLTR. And I day traded it, but damn, 130. I know, dude. It's crazy seeing that price at 130. That's nuts. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Good old days.
Okay, let's see. Gold has similar structure here, but I don't know. I mean, with this account, I can only do 2 micros, so I'm not interested just because of that right there.
Man, gold burned a lot of people today. That's for sure. Mr. Gold.
You sold at $30, and then after it went to 880, you had 100 shares. That's crazy.
Somebody had 100 shares at PLTR.
Moscow did here on the
No way.
Moscow.
You fumbled the bait, bro. No way, Moscow. Oh my. Oh man. Oh man.
But yeah, gold, like again, similar. I would say it's somewhat similar to what I'm looking for in NQ, but I want more of a pullback. I want to see it at the 50% of this range and see what it's doing here. I want to see this
Right here at the 50%.
right there. Because then at that point, it tells me that buyers are trying to catch a bid at that point, and then that's how we can see if sellers are strong enough to just bring it back to these lows, or we can see about pushing up at least higher. And by the way, I'm not looking for a crazy reversal. I'm just saying I just want like a little piece of the pie here. But let's see though. Let's see how it goes. And then as far as gold, we put in this low, came back up, see where this is supported. That's where we broke through, and we made our way back up. You can see at this red and green candle right here, we attempted to create a support, made a higher low, and then is this going to be another higher low? If that's the case, you can see about trading it back to this range here. But again, my funded futures doesn't really allow much of a size on gold, so I'm just going to step away from that. Just 2 micros. Or who knows? But so far, this is giving a nice reaction with that candle right there on the 1 minute. That's a nice reaction. And again, like I was just saying, it's leaving behind a higher low. So if you're gonna get in on this, you definitely want to see these two lows hold.
Hold on, chat. 1 second. Hold on.
But yeah, just a little bit of patience here. Oh wow, look at this. I wanted to see this down here, man. I wanted to see that down here.
Oh, don't go without us.
Website. I'm assuming you're talking about this platform. It's called TradingView.
Way. Oh my god. Sorry about that, chat. We had a technical issue.
What do you guys think? Should we just FOMO into this? Nah,
FOMO.
nah, no FOMO, no FOMO.
Just don't want it to leave without us. 1K likes gone, I know, chat. We got to get the likes back. It's okay. Tap your screens real quick. Get us 10,000 likes, chat. 10,000 likes on the stream. I know you guys got those Twitter fingers. I'll even help you, chat. There we go. Bam. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry about that. I don't know why Top just logged me out. That's super weird. Sorry about that. We had a technical issue. Very calm during Asia session.
Give us an entry, Habibi.
Yeah, Habibs, we need a nice entry. I think this thing just wants to rip, though. I think it's
Take it.
early. Let me take a look at the 15-minute real quick. All right, so the 15-minute ends in 4 minutes, so let's see what it's gonna do there.
Share your screen.
15-minute. Share my screen. Okay, un momento. There you go, Habib.
All right, Habibi. No, come on, man. Oh, I don't want to do what I did yesterday. Yesterday, last night, I chased the entry, but what are the chances that works twice? But it looks like it is. Look at it, want to run.
Yeah, I think it wants to run. Wait, Moscow, you had Bitcoin at $4,000?
Oh,
my God, Moscow, another big fumble. Moscow, you literally could have been a millionaire right now.
Moscow, bro.
Moscow, you literally could have had a Ferrari right now. Holy shit, bro. Bro. No.
Yo, what up, TikTok? Welcome in, welcome in. This is NQ, MNQ. No, I put that up, but it was kind of lame, so I took it off. Okay. Okay, we're getting moved back down. Let's see how far down we go. Same thing with gold here. I like seeing the face when trade. What are you talking about?
I can't see your
can't?
No, I just see the chart
Oh yeah, on
in
TikTok
the
though.
chat. Oh, okay, 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 okay.
On TikTok. Yo, what up? What up? Welcome in. Welcome in.
Oh,
Let's see if we can get an entry. I mean, it looked like it wanted to go without us.
so the entry of that pocket that you wanted was 774 to be exactly.
Just about, yeah, in the 770s. That's where I'm
Yeah.
thinking about trying to get the entry. There's a 50% of this range we're attempting to break out. We swept that high that I was talking about. So now I want to see how buyers react here in the 770s. 50% at least.
Yeah.
Okay, we are pulling back though. And also, we're down to the last 15 minutes of this hour or so. Let's see how that goes. Gold is for sure supporting for sure.
Yeah, it's holding that support. It's holding the line.
But you know what this looks like? This looks like, what was it, last night where we started to break out and then eventually we just kind of dumped. Took us right out. That's what it looks like.
Candle. Dude, it's been doing that for the past couple times, and it's super annoying. Like, there's just no follow through, and you'll just get one big red candle. Looks like it wants to pop up, and then it just fails. I don't like that. We don't like the fake pumps, chat, right? Oh, we need some volume in here, bro. All right, so we're at 788, 10 more points. Let's see if it's going to drop down to where we wanted our entry at that 774. 774.
Okay, gold is pushing.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, wow. For gold, we could actually, one of the Bullinger bands, we could target 641. But just forming that pocket. It looks like it wants to make it smooth, but we'll see. We'll see if we could get 20 points out of this if we change our bias. If you did attend the live last night, welcome you back tonight, chat. Let me know how your day was. Let me know if you took any trades in New York or during Asia session when Donald Trump was talking. Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, it's late night. We want to trade relaxed. Looking like shorts now on what? do the shorts, then we're gonna do the longs, and then we're gonna see who's gonna win. How about that? Deal? Deal or no deal? Deal. You got yourself a deal. Okay. Oh, chat, this volume is killing me. Everybody needs to wake up and place a trade so we get some volume. Get some volume, chat. Wake up.
Yeah, gold's moving now.
Oh, what the? Bro, that's a 10-point move. Holy moly. Look away, jeez. Wow, could we... Holy crap. Could we actually target... Dude, if we target 701... Do we actually get to that? Good luck with shorts. Oh, El Jefe's in the building.
Who?
El Jefe. He's in the building.
He said good luck with shorts.
Good luck with shorts. Oh, God.
That's funny. All right.
If my bias doesn't match with El Jefe on a trade, I know I'm screwed. I know I'm screwed 100%. We got the extra confirmation now, chat.
What's the extra confirmation?
The shorts don't look good. He said good luck with shorts.
All right, man. Come on, give us something here.
Yeah.
I don't trust gold here. I don't trust it. Or I at least want to see it hold.
Okay.
But what do you think? Are you gonna trade right now?
Dude, honestly, like gold burned me a couple times today. Like I said, I tried it earlier with the momentum. I was up 400, and then I just got a just a big rejection candle. Like it will give you that fake pump. It will wick out, and then it will slowly go back down. And you'll be like, oh, okay, my stop loss, and then boom, hits the stop loss. Gold's kind of been acting a little bit funny today, I will admit. Yes, stocks. How's it going, Alex Quinn? Welcome to Cartel Traders. Yeah, it already pumped. Jeez, pumped that 10 points.
What app do I use to start trading? You can start with TradingView and do the paper if you're not ready for real money here.
Yeah, NQ looks like it wants to pump too. Yup.
Yeah, I think we might have found the support there.
Okay.
Yeah, look at it want to go now. Damn. I should have chased again. I should have chased. Actually, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Because when I thought about chasing, it was like somewhere here. I would have been in the red and finally been green.
Let's see. Womp, womp, womp.
Okay, heard that. Getting on my Chromebook right now. Honestly, dude, one of the requirement. Okay, matter of fact, let me answer this again. You want to know how you can start trading? Switch that Chromebook to a Mac. Go to YouTube and rent The Wolf of Wall Street. That's how you get started.
How much money you make? How the shorts going? How much money you make? I don't know, bro.
Oh, come on, dude. NQ is leaving without us.
Yeah, I might just FOMO in.
Do it.
Go for it.
Do it.
26. I think we could. We got a couple barriers to break. 827 and then 843.
Yeah, man. I mean, my perfect entry would have been at the 50%. It looked identical to last night. But the thing is, we got a new hour candle about to open up, so let's see the reaction there.
Okay. Let's see. How long for the hourly? Let's take a look. We got 5 more minutes for the hourly.
Okay, gold's pulling back pretty aggressively here.
Okay. Yep.
NQ wants to pull back even more too.
Wow, bro. Can you send me some money? I'm poor. Damn. Damn, LFA's poor now? Sheesh.
All right, what are you thinking, Coops? What are you thinking? What do we do here? What do we do?
So here's the thing: if it's gonna pull back on the 20 EMA, I'm gonna pull the trigger. So 794.
794.
Yeah, if because it keeps respecting the 20 EMA.
All right, let's see it. I have been studying for a couple months. Even have a notebook. I was taking notes.
I want to miss the entry.
So you just found out about trading 2 months ago? Is that what you're talking about? If oh, nice, dude. Dude, get ready to get your nuts kicked in, man. That's the reality of it. Get your nuts kicked in
Whoa.
until it finally just clicks. Anyway, and on a positive note, it's very rewarding when you actually understand what you're seeing and stuff.
Yeah, I think this may leave without us.
What was I gonna say? I mean,
Yes, I'm on
there's
board.
no better teacher than actually spending time on the charts. As long as you do that,
Do we have
then
hourly? Let's see.
you'll get it eventually, man.
3 more minutes.
Yo, what up, TikTok? We got 5 people here. What up, man?
Still or no?
I was trying to get in on this trade here on NQ longs, but I got a little too picky with my entry. I wanted to enter somewhere here in the 770s. Did not get that at all. Instead, it just wants to push without me. Debating if I should just chase, but I don't know if I'm gonna regret that. Can I get a mentorship? Can I get a mentorship, man?
All right, 2 more minutes for the new hourly. Keeps respecting the 20 EMA.
On TradingView right now, where do I go? I only really study the trends and what everything means. Honestly, bro, that right now is not the time to. Wait, actually, matter of fact, let me reread that. On TradingView right now, where do I go? I only really studied. Well, if you're on TradingView, you're where you need to be. But if you want to look at what I'm looking at, not how to get to it. No, bro, I do not have a course. I do not have a course. All you got to do is hang out here. Hang out here and on TikTok.
Right, we got.
Bro, I'm gonna need you to
for the new
rephrase that
hourly
what you just said. Not how to get to it. I'm gonna need you to retype that, bro.
Make sure you guys give us a follow.
Dude, thank you, man.
Likes. I think we can get it streamed tonight. I think we can get it, chat. Excuse me. Right, it is a little.
Thank you, bro. No, bro.
Yep, this is curving up. 827. This could be my first line of defense.
Okay, so what do we do now? That's it.
All right, I'm gonna go in one mini chat.
Sorry, I was typing fast. I was wondering
And
how
stop
to get where
loss.
you are or any other trades that are good. I don't know if there's any other trades out there. I'm looking at NQ and gold though.
Long ways to go, chat.
So if you start,
NQ longs,
oh my God, NQ, bro.
we're up $115. So let's see it. We would like to
New
see
hourly
price
just started.
drop. We need to see a fall.
If you want to look at what I'm looking at here,
We need to
it's
see a follow
NQ,
through on the trade chat.
specifically MNQ, but
We do not want to get rejected though at 827. So let's see it. Let me know if you are in the NQ longs with us. We're forming a pocket, my guy, on the NQ longs. It could be a fake deck.
yeah, sucks. I think this move is happening here without us unless I see some other structure. But for right now, I'm hands off. I mean,
I'd like a push up though.
I really wanted
We got
my
32
entry at the
people with us
770s.
in the live. We got 32 people attending us in the live chat. Make sure you guys drop a like, drop a follow. My name is Dr. Koobs. I'll be with you for tonight's trade during a London session. Yeah, it's set up real nice for longs. I like it. I really like it, chat. I really, really, really like this. I'm in one mini chat, so 11. Oh, actually, I'm in 11 micros. Excuse me. So a little bit over a mini. If you are in the NQ longs, let us know.
What's my general? Hang on, actually. Hang on. What's my general risk on gold? Honestly, gold, I like to play just a little bit heavy. If I really like the setup, I'll do 10 micros, which is equivalent to 1 mini, and then I can I'll just take profit on the way up, or whatever direction I'm taking it. But if I'm trying to be in the not the safer side, but more so like a little bit more careful, it'll be 5 micros. Because then, okay, matter of fact, let me reword that. Let me word all that. My max risk is always 10 points. Always 10 points. I will not, no matter what, I will not go past 10 points risk. So, depending on how much I like it, is gonna. Okay, then what are you asking, bro? I'm literally telling you, I'm giving you the answer, bro. You're like, what's your general risk? And I'm explaining to you what I'm max risking. And then now, now you're asking, you're not asking points or size. That is the risk that I'm talking about, bro. Oh. What was your entry?
My entry ice was at 16 was my entry.
16.
Oh man, I'm gonna regret this tomorrow.
What up? What up, man?
I was like, bruh, it's fucking 12 o'clock. How I have you right now? We got 47 people chat with us. 45. Make sure we get 10,000 likes in this.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go, chat. Make sure you guys drop us a follow. Join the link. Take Dr. Koobs in the after hours. We're up $22.
I got a
We can't even get
great
Wendy's with
fucking
that.
on this one.
Did you enter Ice Bag or not yet?
No, I did not.
I got in at 786.
786. Damn, bro. I wanted that entry. Fuck.
Yeah, the moment I saw the touch around the area, I was like, oh, I'm hopping. Boom.
Dude, I wanted a little bit lower. I got a little bit picky. I didn't get filled.
Yeah, the only reason why I took it was because I was like, all right, dude, this it's kind of teasing
We're
me.
up
Gave me a nice little
132.
pullback. I didn't take it, and then it gave me another one. I was like, all right, man.
I know, bro.
Yo,
Damn,
chat.
I feel FOMO
If
now.
we break this level at 827, this thing is gonna fly, chat. It's gonna fly. Put in the orders, chat. Let's pump it up. Pump this market up.
Yeah, I wanted my entry in the 770s, and damn, I should have gone in. I saw it supporting too. I was like, fuck, I want a little bit lower.
One dude said he was gonna go shorts. That was pretty funny.
Okay.
I'll probably got like 15 minutes. Yo, I'm fucking tired. I don't know how you guys do this shit, dude.
No, I'm pretty
What the
tired
fuck,
too.
Charles? Charles, do you sleep, bro? What the fuck?
Dude, you'd be surprised, dude. C-Fix is like, he'll pop in, like, dude, I gotta fill here. He'll make some money.
Fucking.
Oh, C-Figs, your name turned out to be Charles, bro? I thought it was Chris. It was Charles the whole time? Damn.
Hello. Oh no, hold on.
Damn, we got a Charles in the building. Damn. Okay, we're up $253, chat. 242. Let me know if you're in the. What do you mean L confirmation? We're up $330. Give us 10,000 likes on the stream, chat. I need every single one of you to join the Discord. We're up $423. Give it to me. Arkham is up $600, baby. Let's go. Pump it up for me. Pump it up.
See, I need this. We need this energy in the morning, bro. I'm fucking tired.
Yo.
Dude, Coop said he took 2 Adderalls.
Dude, I'm like, I wake up. My alarm wakes me. I mean, like, dude, so I wake up at like 4:30 and I pass out, and like, it's like crazy because like, it's like one of those pass outs where you
This is
just like
NQ
close your eye,
Charles.
you close your eyes back again, and then boom, it's like an hour passes by.
Yes, bro. That happens to me every morning, bro.
Chat, we're up 300, but we need to break that level. If we break that level, chat, if we break that level, we're gonna be flying. We're gonna be flying high, chat. We're gonna be flying.
Guys, I
high.
appreciate you guys following.
Flying high. Spread the wings, chat. Spread them.
What's my
Spread
opinion
'em.
on meme coins?
Spread
Honestly,
'em.
dude, I do not
Spread
touch them at all.
my
I do not
name.
mess with them at all.
But I'm on the NQ chart. I'm on the NQ chart. If you guys are confused what we're trading, what we're doing, join the Discord link.
What up, TikTok? What up? What up? What up?
Free.
Appreciate you guys being in here.
A to Z. The name is Dr. Koobs. Remember that name. Remember that name, Dr. Koobs. Easy name to remember.
Coobs, Coobies.
Koobs. And remember, chat, we're only here for entertainment purposes. I am not a financial advisor or an accountant. I work at Wendy's, and today I quit my job live in front of a huge audience.
Fogs,
Recorded and everything.
Figs, Moscow, you guys both in this? Am I the only one missing out here?
I hope not. And we need a pump, bro. We need a pump. Pump it up. Pump it up. Oh, do not come back to the 20 EMA. Oh, bro. I was just up 400. Don't do this to me. Oh, bro. I'm only up $27. Chat. How am I supposed to afford gas tomorrow?
Dude.
Oh my god.
Right. You almost fell asleep? Dude, I know, man. It's...
Yo, chat, I got my car payment tomorrow. I gotta fill up gas. I need this 3K, chat. I need this. Pump it up with me. Come on. Got 47 people in the live with us tonight. 48 people. Give us 10,000 likes, chat.
Let me see how this hourly is,
Past
actually.
10,000, we'll aim for 20,000. Then we'll do 100,000. And if we get 100,000 likes on this chat, we got our boy El Jefe who'll give you 20 free combines. We'll deal with the consequences later.
Oh shit, dude.
What's the name in the Discord? The name is Cartel Trader.
Crispy will give him combo.
Yo, chat, if we get 100,000 likes, we got Crispy and El Jefe. Free
Tag
100
at
combines, chat.
Crispy
We'll deal with
in the
consequences
Discord.
later.
And say, hey, Crispy, I'm here for my free combine.
That'll actually be so funny. Oh my gosh.
Crispy will give you a free combine. But join the Discord chat and just take
Yeah, Billy, this is the NQ that we're looking at here.
Bro, I was just up $400.
The 5 minute looks pretty aggressive down here.
Oh, bro. We don't want aggressive
Stay
down.
above this 818 area.
Yeah, it looks like gold. Actually, gold was the play, bro. Damn.
No, I think NQ was just depending on the size you're in.
I like NQ, man. NQ is nice, dude. I think
Yeah.
you can target all the way back up to at least.
Yes, I'm
like-
on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we're up $165, chat. Like I said, tomorrow we need gas money tomorrow. We need car payments tomorrow. Rent is due, chat. You know, rent is due tomorrow. Rent is due tomorrow.
Bro, I'm in shorts. I need this down this week into next week. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Oh,
Dude, is that what I sound like, dude? What you sound like, bro? Because that sounds sexy.
hello, my baby.
For what? For what?
How are you?
I said, you using a mic too?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, bro. I got one too,
Yeah,
dude.
we're
I got one of
live
those. I got a Rode mic.
What's
live
that?
streaming.
It's just
We're good. We're good.
it's like the same brand that you use like on cameras. They have a mic.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm fucking. Mine changes colors.
Oh, oh no, I don't got that one.
My babies, we are on the stream. We are on the stream. We are on the stream.
All right, let's see if I can get in on this with
We
you
gonna get a
guys.
pump here, chat. Chat, are we gonna get a pump here? We're up $126, up 132. We're trying to go for that 3K because we got rent tomorrow. We got gas prices. Everything is up, chat. We need to make a living here. Just trying to make an honest living. We got 45 people in the chat. If you guys want me to stream tomorrow, we need 100,000 likes. 100,000 likes, chat. Get those Twitter fingers moving.
Gold is pushing up higher here too.
Gold is pushing up higher, and NQ is leaving me with the bay. Come on, bro.
Yeah, but these tickers both are flopping. Gold is pushing up.
No bueno.
NQ's retracing here. But hopefully this is an entry setup for me for NQ.
I hope so. Damn, did we really just flop on this? Damn. Wow, dude, gold. Oh my god, disgusting. Gold.
The
touched
hourly
the
chart on NQ just flipped red and it's leaving behind an aggressive wick here.
man, and gold, bro, gold. That was it. Yeah, the hourly just flipped red.
What's the algo say?
Flip back green.
What does the algo say? The algo says nothing yet.
The algo says buy NQ long so we can get a payout. That's what the algo says.
Matter of fact, the TikTok chat is the algo.
Yeah, the TikTok chat is the algo. What do you guys think, chat? Tell me. I swear to God, if shorts play out here, I will literally flip out if the shorts will play for the NQ. I will
Kinda
flip
I want to
out.
see the flip out, yo.
Okay.
Yes, Moscow. Only fan payments tomorrow are due tomorrow as well.
Dude, I hate how like the NQ on TradingView lags compared to
Top step.
the NQ on Top Step.
Yeah, that's kind of why I don't like trading view. It's like kind of lagging. Sometimes my the candle will be in the money, but then my position is still red. Like what's going on?
I have headphones in.
Yeah.
And
I don't know which one's first though. It's kind of weird.
I'm mute? I was mute the whole time and you didn't even tell me? I was mute the whole time and you don't tell me?
Yo, what up, Wheelo? We're looking at the NQ here. NQ and gold. I got gold here on the left side.
You know, I didn't know that my finger hit the mute button. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, you're streaming too, so I can't. But very professional. I muted my TikTok for a sec, guys. Dude, one kid was like, "What did he say? It's Asia session." Yeah, we're up. Oh, I gotta unmute. I gotta unmute. Chat, we're back. We were just grabbing some coffee. We're up $352, and I'm not your financial advisor. Chat, what up? Put my name in the
You tell
comments,
him, bro.
Dr.
Tell
Coombs.
him.
Like I said, Chad, if we get 100,000 likes, we're gonna be giving out 100 free combines. We'll deal with the consequences later. Make sure you guys tag Crispy in the chat, tag Moscow in the chat, El Jefe in the chat. Make sure you guys follow us. Join the Discord link in the bio. We'll deal with the consequences later. We're up $456. You know, take CFigs, take all those guys. You know, we got you guys covered. Welcome to Cartel Trader. Real entertainment, real people, real.
Yo, what up, Jay? I do not trade for a living. It's the goal one day, but for right now, no, that's not. It's not what I do full time.
Make a fucking commercial, bro.
I know.
Eventually, though.
I'm Dr. Coop.
Dude,
And
I
I'm
was
your host for
fucking-
tonight.
The little skit that you did with your Wendy's, bro. That shit was hella funny.
I know that was funny.
Oh, yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you, chat. Today we did quit Wendy's. It is in the Discord. We did quit Wendy's live today. I was asked to mop the floors. Why I wasn't working, and we quit. So we're here with you guys. We got 51 people.
I guess you could say I'm scalping. I'm not looking to swing, but I usually try to like.
Shout out, throw my name
I
down
do
in
try
the
to
comments.
when I enter a trade, I do try to target certain
Fucking
highs or
take my name
price
down.
levels. So like if I were to be in this right now, if I were to be in this, I would have gotten my entry. You know, my perfect entry would have been in the 770s, but I did not get that. Instead, it just went without me. I'm trying to see if I can get in somewhere here. I would have targeted these right here, but it looks like we're just about there. Next target would probably be this high and see where we go from there, depending on the momentum, things like that. But
I'm gonna be TikTok. I'm gonna be TikTok famous one day, and everybody's gonna be like, "Oh my God, Dr. Coobs," and then, yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be famous, and then you're gonna see me in a Ferrari and a Lambo, and then they're gonna be like, "Oh my God, he's married! Oh my God." That's what's gonna happen. I only have 52 people. Hey baby, we gotta do it for the gram, you know? We're hustling here.
I've always wanted to get into trading, but it's very
Fucking
confusing,
lame,
overwhelming. Dude, it just takes time, dude. There's no better teacher than actually having time in the charts. Spending time on the charts
His
will,
voice fucking
will be
changed
better
so
for you.
You gotta do this for the
I
gram.
know, dude.
Oh my
I know,
God,
bro.
So fucking funny.
Yo, by the way, I'm muted on TikTok, by the way. Hell no, they ain't hearing this voice chat.
Okay, I might get my entry here. I might do my entry.
Oh my God, that was so funny.
My wife is watching this trade chat. My wife is
Entry on
watching
NQ or gold?
NQ 830s right here where we're at on the 1 minute. It looks like we're wanting to hold here.
Yeah, it looks nice. It looks real nice. I gotta start trading on the 1 minute, dude. Futures fucking piss me off.
I might do it. I mean, I'm very tempted.
Yeah, both my trades are risk free. I already put my stop loss.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm in. 5 micros.
I really think that we could target all the way.
Wifey's gone. Okay.
I think we target
To
like at
reality.
least 100 points more, dude.
Yeah.
At least 100 points more.
This might be the entry for the overnight here.
Huh?
This might be the entry to just chill overnight.
How you gonna stream tomorrow, bro?
I know. I gotta go to sleep, bro. I gotta go to sleep soon, dude. I just want to. I mean, now that the trades are risk free, I'm not too worried about it. I just leave them and pass the fuck out. But
Okay, I'm giving myself 50-point stop, so that's $500 of risk. I'm playing with profits. I'm playing with profits, so I'm not.
Hey, how do you like Lucid though, dude? I'm trying to get a couple counts in there.
Dude, I like them. I like them a lot. Their max payout is 2,000, and they're so fast with it. Like you request it, and like within 10-15 minutes, you get all three of them saying that you requested it.
You can get it. You can get same day payout.
Same day if your bank offers the instant, but mine doesn't, so I get it the next day. That's so much faster than that. That's so much faster than
How much is it? So 129 for 50K and 25.
I think you're looking at the pro accounts. The one that you would want to do is the flex.
Oh, what's the pro? What do the pros mean?
So the pro means that you can pass in a day, but that account has a daily loss limit. So you can only lose a max. If you get a 50K, you could only lose 1,200,
1200.
and then it locks you out, and then you come back the next day and trade it. But with the flex, is exactly like Top Step.
Our next barrier is going to be 841, chat. We need to get past 841. We need to get past 841. Let's see.
All right, Joe.
What are you trading on? Like NinjaTrader, Trivocate, or TradingView?
TradingView. So when you get the account, you're actually the broker you're using is Tradeovate, but you can link Tradeovate to TradingView, which is what I'm using.
Is there a fucking coupon? Do they have promos right now?
Oh yeah, they have a 40% off right now, actually.
Oh shit. What's the code?
Let me look. Damn, I think I'm getting cooked here.
Might get like five
Yeah,
fucking.
I don't know if it's going to fail us, to be honest.
Oh fuck! I got stopped out, bro.
I know. I think.
Other one.
Oh, I think I'm getting cooked.
Combine. Fuck bitch, dude.
Oh, I'm getting cooked. I'm getting cooked. I got FOMO. I felt FOMO, and I'm getting cooked now.
Oh, this 1 minute chart's fucking me up, bro. I gotta go back to 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes.
I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. That's yeah. I'm cutting it. 250 loss. That's fine.
We were just up to 400 and we're down.
Yeah, you know something's wrong with Coops. Just stopped yelling.
Yeah, I think it's gonna reject and come back above it. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's gonna stop.
Nah.
If it's gonna break, if it broke, it'll.
Oh my god, dude, this is holy shit! Ain't no fucking yep. Stop me out. That's crazy, yo.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy.
Dude, what is that?
Is it hard to actually make money in day trading? It's hard. It's tough because it's psychological, man. Psychological. It's easy to make money, but your psych has to be on point.
Oh, you bitch.
Oh, look at this, bro. No way.
You're about to fucking wick the fuck out, bro. That's crazy.
This better not drop.
Oh,
You better pump up, NQ. I'm still in this trade. Pump up right now.
Oh, let me look at Lucid. Let me look at Lucid here.
Back up. Don't embarrass us on TikTok Live, damn it. Looks like we're gonna get embarrassed on this trade. Yeah, Habibi. Yeah.
Habibi.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's what happened. Seriously, that's what happened. We are trading.
Bet you that Gilbert guy's like, oh, sure.
Shorts down. See, I told you. I told you. After we pumped like what, like 100 points. Okay. Kuz, why do you type it out? Just say it, bro.
Oh. That's fucking hilarious.
Emotional traders teaching. Yes, I'm very emotional when I trade.
God.
Trading right now. Why not? I just be taking the
Why are you
profit.
gay?
300, 400. Well, congratulations. We could have ended this a long time ago. Damn.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, looks like I'm gonna get my entry. My original one.
You got out of the trade?
Yeah, I cut it. I cut it.
Oh, I got stopped out. Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I got stopped out. I stopped out in
happened?
between, dude.
Okay, so I think the code is vault.
Vault.
Yeah,
Okay.
vault. Like a safety vault or like a
Vault.
the first 5 orders you can get 40% off. And then after that is 30% off.
This one says 50% off, bro.
Oh, yeah, because I know they were running some kind of deal like that. That's good. That's good. That's it. That's it.
$70 deal, buy like fucking 5 of these bitches right
Yeah, dude. But again, reminder that if you want to treat it like Top Step, you want to do the flex accounts, not the pro, because you have daily loss on those.
Yeah, fuck Top Step, bro.
I know, dude. I've been on Lucid a lot more. I've been with the pro accounts. I got four payouts last month.
That's sick. Oh yeah.
Because with the pro accounts, you can take payouts every 3 days, and that's what I just kept doing.
Wait, what'd you say? You said with the what?
The pro accounts, you can take a payout every 3 days, but they need you to get to a certain buffer before you can start taking payouts.
Oh, wait, with the flex, how often can you take payouts with the flex?
5, just like Top Step. The flex is just like Top Step, like the same structure, But the pro accounts, they like if you get a 50K, they need you to have at least $2,100 in profit, and then anything above that is your payout eligibility.
I see.
Yeah.
You're crazy, my guy. All right, man. I gotta fucking.
I think we'll get rejected.
I gotta knock the fuck out. All right, guys.
All right, man. Catch you later. Damn, look at NQ, bro. All right, man. See you.
Fucking
I'm still
crazy.
in it. I'm still in it. I'm still in NQ.
I know.
Where am I from? I'm from California, man.
All right, I'll catch you guys later tomorrow.
See you, man. See you. Do you use any ICT concepts? I guess just a little bit here and there, but not really. No, I wouldn't say that. I just look at candle structure. So I use candle structure, price action, things like that. Have you ever tried swing trading? I have, but I'm so bad at it. By the time it got to my target price, my options contracts would be cooked. But like for instance, if you want to see or if you want to look at how I trade usually, it is. Let me show you here. So this trade here, this trade specifically, I wanted to get in on, but it just never got to my entry point, and then I took a loss right now. I just took a loss trying to get in on this. Got cooked, and now it's working its way back up. So that's what I get. That's what I get. That's my fault. But let me show you here. So where I wanted my entry was in the 770s, and just candle structure is what I look at. We put in this low right here. We swept it with that leg down. We made our way back up, got this high. At that point now, I was interested. I wanted to see a pullback to at least 50% of that range right there, because at that point, if we put a low somewhere right there, that's printing a higher low. At that point, I wanted to see about an entry. 770s, that's where the price is. Instead, we supported up here in the 80s. I guess you could say I got a little bit picky with what I wanted. Sure enough, we went up, we kept pushing up, and then right here is where I decided to try to take an entry, and I just took a loss right here. I just took the loss because we put in this low right here after sweeping this, and then I saw this right here, if you can see it. This right there is what I thought to be a support. So I didn't think we would get down here. I didn't think so. I wanted to see like a higher low get printed on. Did not. Nope. It just kept going down. I just cut it. I just scratched that trade. But look, I might even try it again here. I'm gonna try it again here. I'm gonna try it again. 5 micros, 25 point stop, 25 point stop. $7.99. Yeah, I'm gonna try it again. What are you trading? Yeah, man, this is futures, and I am trading the Nasdaq. Yes, Moscow, I'm long. I'm trying it again. I'm long MNQ at 824.50. This is gonna be my second shot at this here. Yeah, Christina, this is futures, by the way. I just answered that. Futures, and I'm trading MNQ micro futures here. But yeah, tough. That trade I was just explaining that I what was I saying? Oh yeah, that sucks. I took that loss. I'm not gonna lie. I think it was more so on the emotional side because I saw it just run without me after I wanted my entry right there. Didn't get it, and yeah, man, took the loss. But let's see if this second try plays out here for us. How much do you put in on a regular? So I'm trading a prop firm. If you're not familiar with them, you pay like for instance, Top Step, you pay $100 and they allow you to trade like a 50K account, which you can actually only lose like 2,000. It's simulated until you pass that challenge account, and then you can move to a funded account, which is, same thing, same drawdown, 2,000 that you can lose, and then that's when it really counts. So you can start getting paid real money off of it, off of $100. So to answer your question, $100 get funded, and then you can start making money here. This is a fresh account. So right now for the day, I'm up. Well, after that loss, I was up 900, but after that loss, I'm up like $500. Here, let's see if I can show you. See if I can show you here. Here's a fresh account, by the way, like I just said. What am I moving? What am I moving? I'm moving something. Oh, here we go. That's what I'm moving. I can't show you. Okay, actually, yeah, you can. You can see it actually. Account balance, like $700. Yeah, $100 for a prop firm. I'm really trying to hold this short back to 23,795. Who knows, man? You probably could get it. You could get it, man. I mean, we are pushing up. We are, we ended up reacting here at the 830s. Got a strong pullback. The only thing that's going to be in my favor against your short is that if it supports right there. If that fails here at the 50%, then yeah, I think you're getting your short. But for right now, man, I got to stick to my longs. Gold is pushing, man. I kind of wish I got into gold. Fudge. Okay. How do I move my take profit and stop loss? If you're looking at my screen here for a paper account, a paper account, you can see the P&L. You should have buttons here to the left, and it should be like TP. You just click and drag both the stop loss and the take profit. I appreciate the follows. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for hanging out. Okay, look, we're getting some movement here. All right, here we go. I like to see this here. Moscow Figs, you in on this too? No, it's all good. It's all good. Nice. Let's see, man. Let's get some follow through here. What made you take that trade? So again, for like the bajillion times. Nothing against you, by the way, but like I saw this here. This is the structure I was looking at. We put in this low, put that low in, grab these highs, right? Started consolidating here. I wanted my entry more so here at the 770s. Didn't get it. Pushed without me. And we just been moving up. So I'm anticipating that we keep going up. We keep printing higher lows and we keep going up. So let's see. In the most simplest way put. That's why. What's my target? I think right now we could be this high at the 860s. 859 right here. On the 1 minute, you can see it. It'll be the 860s because look at this. We have this high, and then this is also a support a previous support, and now we're gonna give it a retest. So let's see if we can get that. Okay, we're pushing up $200 in profit. Let's see, man. Look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Facts. I'm in the same trade off of the inverse head and shoulders. Nice, man. I definitely see it. I see it. Guys, if you guys are interested, I have, oh, hang on. If you guys are interested, I have a free Discord you guys can join. I don't know how to link it on TikTok, but if you guys are interested in tapping in, just send me a DM and I'll send you the link to it. For you specifically, Alex, I know you're having some issues. I think it'd be better if you can send some like screenshots of that. I don't know. I don't really know what's going on there with you. But yeah, man. And that's actually where I'm streaming. I'm streaming in there too. So if you guys want to tap in, I have a Discord, tap in. And yeah, man, let's get in there. I know, man. I would say for sure price action, but I don't, you know, the mitig, you know, I don't know what it is. ICT, SEC, STD, I don't know. But a simple price action, man. That's what I like to see. BBC. Yeah, man. Okay, we're $200 in profit. Okay, so look, even if we did pull back, like we're attempting to do it, what I for sure want, I want to see a higher low print on the chart. I don't want to see it go to my stop loss. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. I want to see some sort of low be put in like right there, maybe even higher, but definitely a higher low if we're going to continue this move up. So all that to say is that my stop loss is exactly where I want it to be. If that fails, then I'm just wrong. On to the next. Welcome to the Gboard clipboard and text you safe here. Yeah. Okay, look, I love to see this here. Dude, I need to get off this drawing tool, man. Sorry I missed it. Where did I join the Discord? Send me a DM, man. I don't know how to link it on TikTok, so send me a DM. And I'll send that over to you. Until I can figure out how to link it, I'll do that. But for right now, just send a DM in. I got 3 of you here in my on my DMs here. Let me get back to you guys while this plays out here. So far, so good though. Okay, gold, man. Look at gold. See if you can see it. Damn. Same idea off gold down here. And look at it. Bam. Whoa. That's crazy. I think so. Okay, let me get these invites out. Okay, hopefully that works. I'm getting back to you guys here. Oh no, that's ugly on NQ. Again, if we pull back, I want to see a higher low. So stop is exactly where it needs to be. Okay, I got you guys there. Yo, what up, man? What's good, homie? Okay, just sent you a message. Yeah, I got you. I sent you guys the link. See if that works. I don't know if the link is working. Oh, I appreciate that. What are you trading? I'm trading right now. We are in a NQ, micro NQ long. Missed the initial entry, so now we're just trying to get into a continuation play, which is playing out right now. So let's see if we could see some follow through. Thank you. Yeah, man. So let's see. Let's see, man. You think PA might be bullish since we tapped 1-day FEG? Let's see. I mean, given the current circumstances that I'm in a long, I would love that. Let me see. Let me see I mean, so far we're reacting. Yeah, I definitely see that. If you trade gaps, I could see what you'd be seeing. The 4-hour, look at this. The 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is one of the things that I really look at. Typically, I try not to go against the 4 hours. Since the 4 hour is bullish, I'm in a long. So I try to follow it. So you can see here, the 4-hour. You can see here, we swept the low of the previous 4-hour. Now we're pushing up. That can change at the 50% of this candle, though. We have to get past it. If we disrespect that, then we can see higher highs. The hour, same thing. To me, it looks bullish. To me, it does look bullish. Reversal candle here, last hour. This candle is an expansion candle, so I would in turn expect the next one to be an expansion. But we'll see. New York can definitely change all of that. New York can completely scratch everything we talk about right now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, send it in the general or the futures, doesn't matter. Okay, we're up 270. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, so we just made back what we lost on the first trade. On the first attempt here, we just made all that back here. Do you go live during New York? Not really. But if you're in the Discord, I do get on voice chat to check out Power Hour. I don't stream, but I'm in the voice chat. That's just because I'm not home. I'm not home during those hours. So that's why I don't stream, but I'm in the voice chat. But lately, though, I got to be honest with you guys, our track record in Power Hour has been pretty poop. I've been pretty cheeks during Power Hour, man. Typically, what's been happening is the TA is on point in Power Hour, but we don't see the move until Asia Open or the overnight market. That's just been the theme the last, what I would say, like 4 days. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. The heart me. Appreciate that, guys. Alex said sent. All right, let me check it out. Yeah. It looks like you have to press confirm. Okay, we're pushing up here on NQ. Let's go, baby. Press confirm. When you confirm it, it establishes it on the chart. Okay, nice push here on NQ. Bro, who was still in that short, bro? Are you still in here, man? Sir. You still in that short, bro? What's your target high? So like I was saying, if we can get past, I was actually say here, this was the target. I would say this was the target here, 860s. And that's just because we have this here, look. So we have this high. This is what I was talking about as a target, and that's if you look to the left of that, we have this previous support too. So this is a level you want to keep an eye out. Either take profit or go break even. Honestly, dude, I'm out at that level. I'm just gonna take my profit.
Icebag, I just ended TikTok right now, so I'm not live or anything. Do I get out now? Should I just get out at 800 some, or do you think this can go up more or no?
I think it could go up more, but I think I'm happy making back what I lost the first time. It could, who knows? But I'm pretty happy with.
By the way, I put my stop loss to break even. I'm up $1,000. Like I'm tempted just to take it and maybe try to pass tomorrow, you know, but I don't know.
Oh, hang on. Let me, before I answer that, since we just took a dub. TikTok, can you guys hear that? I would take, I mean, that's up to you, dude, but I would take profit. I just took my profit. I'm good here. Again, if you look to the left, you see that there's been some business going on here. Yeah. You can see that, right? We got that high. We have this previous low. So previous support that we broke through that we're currently at and retesting it as we speak. And so far, that 1 minute showed a reaction.
Damn, why is it dropping now, dude? Like that shit.
I was just talking about it, man.
No, I know, but I'm seeing it live on my screen.
Okay. Bamba, what do you mean how? What? No, I switched to longs. Good stuff, man. I mean, I took a loss. I took a loss before this one here, so I'm not. I basically went nowhere, bro. I basically just made back what I lost the first time.
W trade, by the way.
Um,
I wish you got in when I got in, but it's okay. At least you made everything back.
I know.
W
I
trade for sure.
I wish I got in where El Jefe got in. That's the entry I wanted.
So here's the thing, like, and I know this is
Um,
kind of stupid that I'm gonna ask you, like, does it really make a difference for the 10 points? Like how we wanted it drop to that level, it didn't get it, kind of went without us. Like, I know, like maybe in the beginning it does make it, but sometimes is it just good just to get in the trade, or no, not necessarily.
I would say so if it wouldn't matter if it's within like what you're willing to risk. Like for instance, I was explaining to the TikTok that somebody asked me what I'm willing to risk, and you guys know it here. You guys in here know what I'm willing to risk on NQ. It's max, no matter what, is always 50 points. Does not matter. 50 points is what I'm willing to risk, no matter what. If by chasing the entry point, and that meant that my stop loss was still within 50 points, then I'll take it. But I will not let it exceed 50 point stop loss. But yeah. How long did you practice trade before going live or Fedia? I don't know what that word means, but going live, I'm assuming. Oh, look at NQ. Oof. Going live, I'm assuming live streaming or trading.
With that pump, let's see.
23,895 was yesterday's daily open. Let's see. Recovered a little, minus 275. That's how much you have on the account now, bro?
61.
If you're still in this, dude, you're up, man. What's your strategy, bro? I would say price action, candle structure, candle closures. More importantly, but
1100.
yeah, man, price action. I mean, don't get me wrong though. Of course, like every person that starts to learn, they start going from strategy to strategy. My main thing is going to be price action and candle structure, candle closures, like I just said. But throughout it, I might see something that I've learned previously that I'll try to implement it. But my main thing is price action and candle closures for sure. What's your strategy? Yeah, I just answered that. And then money, sir. So I trade prop firms, bro. So a company like Top Step or Lucid, you pay them like $100 and they allow you to trade. They allow you to trade simulated funds. When you pass that, you get moved into a funded stage where the money actually counts and you can actually get paid money. So you have potential of spending that money to get the evaluation and come out with their max payout, which is for Top Step, for instance, it's going to be 5,000. So you can spend $100 to make potentially 5,000 in return. So I would rather do that than actually use my own money. I could start my own account, but I would rather just use a prop firm and milk them as much as I can.
Later, C Figs. Damn, nice bag. That was good.
W trade.
How many people attended your TikTok tonight?
I gotta see after, but we got 11 people. We got 11 people hanging out here with me. Yeah, that was a W trade. W trade. Are you in an eval or funded? I'm gonna fund it on this one, dude. I'm gonna fund it here. It's a fresh one. I just got it yesterday, and the account, if you can see at the bottom, I'm pulling it up. So far, it's $100. I have $100. Sorry, not $100. 1,000 in profits here. Timing back to my previous comment, not asking for prop firms, but informative. tying. You trade Lucid? Yeah, man. I trade Lucid right now. They've been my main firm. So right now, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't know because I have this stream to just specifically TradingView, but I made majority of my I took a payout with them 3 days ago, and then I made all that money back from that payout the next day. And so I've been coasting the last 2 days. So I've just been making the minimum of the 150 so I can lock in the payout for Monday. I'm projected to get it on Monday, but I gotta be honest with you, anything can happen. I can go until over 150. So we don't know. But I'm projected to get another one on Monday. Yeah, so right now, and then I have that locked and put away. I made that money already for today, and I'm trading a My Funded Futures funded account. It keeps rejecting my order. I don't know why. Oh man, you're really new, huh? Dude, I have not even checked. I'm gonna end YouTube stream here. I'm gonna end my YouTube stream.
Yeah.
Hang on 1 second.
All right.